Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I bring you a Corbin. Looks pretty old. This is the key. Very, very old. Wide open keyway, as you can see. It does work. I hope. Yeah, it does. It's a little sticky. You got some old writing on it. Corbin cabinet lock, New Britain, blah, blah, blah. Well, let's get it in a vise and try to pick this baby. How many pins do we have? It looks like... Key looks like 4. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, feels like 4. So let's do this. Click out of 2. Click out of 1. And I slipped. That's not good. Let's try to arrange. Gonna switch up the tensioning tools here. Should be open. Not. There we go. Alright, I was oversetting pin 2 actually, but now we got it open. So I want to try it again. See what I have been filling in here. So one is good, 2 not. I gotta click out of 3. Click out of 4. Click out of 1. Huh. Alright. Okay, you go 3, 4, 1, 2 on this one. This was a very nice Corbin for my collection. That is a beautiful lock. 4 pins, pretty old. I don't think there are any security pins in there, but it is a cool lock and great for my collection. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.